Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're going to dive into an essential topic, fiber. A high-fiber diet is crucial not only for healthy digestion but also for weight management, reducing the risk of heart disease, and even managing blood sugar levels. Adding fiber-rich foods to your diet can transform your health. So let's get started on the top 14 fiber-packed foods that can support a healthier you. First up, chia seeds. Just 1 ounce provides almost 10 grams of fiber. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds form a gel, which helps keep you full for longer, supports digestion, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. They're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Adding chia seeds to yogurt, smoothies, or even your water can be a quick and easy way to boost your daily fiber intake. Lentils are fiber powerhouses with around 15 grams of fiber per cup. They're a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which means they support digestion by softening stool and help lower cholesterol levels. Lentils also provide plant-based protein, making them a perfect choice for vegetarians and vegans. Plus, they're rich in iron and B vitamins. Oats are another go-to fiber source. A cup of cooked oats contains about 4 grams of fiber, including beta-glucan, a special type of soluble fiber known for lowering LDL cholesterol and enhancing immune function. Eating oats regularly can stabilize blood sugar, making them great for people managing diabetes. Start your morning with oatmeal topped with fruit and nuts for a fiber-packed breakfast. Raspberries are one of the highest fiber fruits, containing 8 grams per cup. They're loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamin C. The high fiber content in raspberries aids digestion, reduces hunger, and helps manage blood sugar. Try adding them to salads, smoothies, or simply as a healthy snack. Black beans pack 15 grams of fiber per cup. They're a fantastic source of protein and fiber, which together promote fullness and support weight loss goals. Black beans contain soluble fiber, which can reduce cholesterol and benefit heart health. They're easy to incorporate into dishes like salads, stews, and tacos. An apple a day might truly keep the doctor away. Apples are high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that supports digestion and can help lower cholesterol. With around 4 grams of fiber per apple, they're also low in calories and high in antioxidants. Enjoy them whole, with the skin on, for maximum benefits. Broccoli is a high-fiber vegetable, offering around 5 grams per cup. Broccoli also contains compounds like sulforaphane, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and even lower the risk of certain cancers. Adding steamed broccoli as a side dish or in salads is a great way to boost your fiber intake. Quinoa is a superfood with about 5 grams of fiber per cup. It's also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. High in both insoluble and soluble fiber, quinoa aids in digestion and supports heart health. Try using quinoa as a base for bowls, in soups, or as a rice substitute. Pears are particularly rich in fiber, with around 6 grams per medium-sized fruit. They're high in pectin, just like apples, which supports healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. Pears are also hydrating and contain essential nutrients like potassium. Snack on them or add them to salads for a sweet, fiber-rich boost. Chickpeas offer about 12.5 grams of fiber per cup and are an excellent source of plant-based protein. Their high fiber content makes them ideal for appetite control, supporting weight loss, and maintaining balanced blood sugar. Chickpeas are also high in minerals like iron and magnesium. Sweet potatoes have about 4 grams of fiber per medium potato and are high in antioxidants, vitamin A, and beta-carotene. Their fiber content helps with digestion, and they're great for managing hunger due to their slow-digesting carbohydrates. Bake, roast, or steam them for a delicious and filling side. One avocado provides about 10 grams of fiber, which is impressive for a fruit. Besides being fiber-rich, avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and potassium. This combination is fantastic for gut health, heart health, and satiety. Add avocado to salads, toast, or smoothies. Carrots offer around 4 grams of fiber per cup and are high in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that's beneficial for eye health. Fiber in carrots helps prevent constipation and regulates blood sugar. Try them raw for maximum fiber, or add them to soups and stews. Almonds are a high-fiber snack with around 3.5 grams per ounce. They're also rich in vitamin E and magnesium, which can help with heart health and brain function. Adding almonds to your diet can support digestion, promote satiety, and provide healthy fats. Adding fiber-rich foods like these can have incredible benefits for digestion, weight management, and overall health. Remember, adding too much fiber too quickly can lead to discomfort, so gradually increase your fiber intake and drink plenty of water. Try including a few of these foods into your daily routine and see the positive effects on your health. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more health-related videos.